All right, today let's talk essential things that I feel that you need on the road. These are just my personal things. Like I feel, if you're over the road, you're trucking. One of my big things I gotta have. So look, it's a mess in here now. You gotta have your inverter in there. Me, I like to have a lot of tools. I got my drills. Just anything when, a lot of different tools, and an inverter, because you can use the inverter for many different things. I use the inverter for like polishing my wheels sometimes with my electric drill. Another thing, put the box back up, but inside that I got jumper cables and an extension cord, big long orange extension cord. Those are a couple things that I keep. And over here, the biggest and the baddest thing I keep, I try to tell all my drivers about this leaf blower. That to me is the biggest piece to have. I mean, you can get a broom, brooms work, but a leaf blower, man, does that ever save time, money, and then, in this box got all my cleaning supplies, like all my polishes and cleaners, all the stuff for keeping the exterior clean. All the interior stuff I keep inside, but all the exterior stuff, the wheels and things like that, are all in there. Then in here, for me, I like to have the good old iPad. That I use that for music. My Spotify is my biggest friend on that. Now, it's nice because really good case for it. Hold on. It's right here. I got a case for it, and this case is nice because it's one of those cases that stands up on its own like that. So that case makes it, nice. Let's see some other things what I got in here. I might have to start it up. Batteries probably pretty dead. Another thing I always keep with me is that bad boy right there. That microwave can save you a lot of damn money. Of course I got a fridge down here too. So those two things, a fridge and a microwave, man, especially like if you load like produce or things of that nature that you're sitting there and you're at some farm in the middle of nowhere, it's nice to have that. Then my other piece I have right here is my George Foreman. I get down on some steak with that. If I know, like, say for instance, I'm heading into a place that I know they take forever to load. I'm not hungry yet, but I'll be hungry later. I'll pull up into a Walmart and go get me some meat, some steak, and then they got all those microwave like mashed potatoes or mac and cheese or something like that. I'll go in there and grab some of that stuff and microwave that, and have me a home cooked meal away from the house. So, that's another thing I keep that I like, that I would say is essential to me. I keep this winter coat right here, one of them big old, big old Carhartt. If you're hauling reefer, you'll know what that jacket's all about, because some of the places we go check in, they want you to stand in the dang reefer inside the cold storage to check in, or let's say check-in starts at 6 and there's a line, everybody got there at 5:30 and stood in the line, so now you stand in the line in the cold. A big jacket like that comes in handy, and then especially if you're over the road, because for me right now in Florida, it's like 90 degrees, and back up in Wisconsin where I'm from and where I go a lot, I think right now it's only like, my old lady told me there's a winter weather advisory up there. So I keep winter clothes in here at all times. I keep summer clothes in here too. Those are just like my essential things that I need. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh yeah, and this, you know, especially for owner operator guys. Say you got these fans, bought them from like Pilot or something like that. And man, I click those bad boys on right there, and I can lay right in my bed, open the windows, and let the wind blow, and it keeps me nice and cool. So, you know, those are just some of the essential things. Of course, the CB radio, you know. I got a CB radio in here. It's the General HP40. You know, of course, that's kind of like a normal thing that everybody kind of knows they need. I got my little swivel mount. It's nice. I like it. When I put my big flat screen in here, that's what I use, but took it out because the back of it was starting to get a little loose, and I just took it out, and I was gonna fix the back of it basically. But yeah, that's about it, man. I'm pretty sure there's more stuff. I'll probably go through here and show you what's in here for the audio system, so you know, everybody know why this thing be booming like it is with just one speaker. So I'll do that later on. I'll show y'all a little bit how this setup works in here. I'll get it going, and so you gotta play that that music that is non-copyright, you know, because YouTube will shut you down for trying to enjoy some music. But anyways, pretty much, hit a little button. I got it hooked up through a USB. I feel like it sounds better when it's hooked direct to the radio versus Bluetooth, so I like it that way. But you know, I got it set up where, you know, like it doesn't have much bass right now, but I don't know if you'll be able to distinguish the difference though. But watch this. See, ain't much going on. Got a little bit of bass, but I got a knob up here. Dirty. I gotta watch it. I'm gonna go watch it today. That's all with one speaker. You got to